Trend T33A wet and dry M-Class site dust extractor has been certified for professional use. In a working environment, it's the particles you can't see that are the most hazardous. With a professional M-Class filter providing 99.9% efficiency, it removes harmful particles for a safer workplace, designed for both power and versatility, as well as performance and efficiency. The filter is easily removed, converting the T33A for wet applications. The drainage outlet quickly releases waste liquid. The T33A allows you to connect your power tools for efficient dust extraction. A shaker button function helps to prevent the filter from clogging, and an extraction velocity monitor indicates any blockage and when the bag needs replacing. It boasts a powerful 1200 watt motor for the toughest of environments. With a 25 litre capacity, you can work for longer and empty less often. The Trend T33A with power tool takeoff. Suitable for concrete, wood dust, ceramic dust, plasterboard dust, wet applications, and comes with a 3-year warranty. The Trend T33A wet and dry M-Class site dust extractor for the toughest of environments.